Fantastic, we're all clear.
Spin wheel. Well, just in case we don't survive.
This here's Rollin Thunder at Tropic Falls in Oa down in Alabama. This is a Zamperla Thunderbolt. I believe this was the second one that was built after the prototype of Coney Island. I know these rides don't necessarily get the most love, but I enjoy them, so I'm interested to see how this one holds up relative to the one at Coney Island. This one has slightly different restraints, you can see, where this one has like a vest component with these wider bars versus the like dangly straps, the other one. So here's the vertical lift. Yeah, not the most pleasant on a sunny day, but unfortunately the sun will be gone once we crest it. Here we go. Good drop till the trim hits. Nice hang time in the loop. Little pothole there. All the inversions have such good hang time. Nice ejector at the bunny hills. And that's Rollin Thunder.
Oh, was I too loud? Sorry.
Yeah, definitely a fun coaster. Shakes a little bit, but very rideable for me. And the forces are great along with the layout.
Buckle those wrist brakes. 1, 2, all finish.